In this video, I'm going to show you how to black out text in PDF in Adobe Reader. So you can't actually redact your text if you wanted to do that. However, it's still possible to black out using a workaround I just found. So what you want to do, you want to open your document, then you want to go to the comment tab over here on the right, and we're going to be using this one over here, which is the text box. So notice that when you click on the text box and when you draw it, it's actually gonna kind of go over your text or whatever you actually draw it over. Okay, now by default it's going to look like this, so it's gonna have a border. So if I click on over here, that's kind of the default look, and of course you can start typing in whatever you want. However, I found out you can actually use this to black out as well the following way. So let me actually remove this one over here. There we go, just like this. And then you want to go to your text box. You want to click on it and you want to hover over the text you want to black out. So let's say I want to black out, I don't know, for example, this part of our text over here. I'm just going to draw over it like this. And then what you want to do is not type anything, click out of it, click back in to select it, right click, and then go to properties. Inside properties that open up, you want to select style and you want to switch from this border to no border, and the border color you want to select it to, of course it can be like this because we have no border, but you could do black as well if you wanted to, and then the fill color must be black. Now when you do this, notice how I can now actually black out using these comment boxes, and you can also select the spin over here to actually keep that selected, and you can just go over whatever and it should make it that way. So if I go to properties right now, again I have to click on black, press OK, and it's going to work just like this. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. That's how to black out. You just have to change the color every single time and you are good to go. So that's going to kind of black out your text, but if you're still trying to kind of highlight over it in the back, so if you're trying to, for example, do it like this, it's still going to copy the text in the back as well. It doesn't permanently remove it. However, it still is kind of blacking out. It's the best alternative if you're using Adobe Acrobat Reader. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.